And in the Philippines, thousands of domestic workers are now entitled to certain social benefits and protections. These new rights are all thanks to a new law signed by the Filipino president earlier this year. Barnaby has the details.
47-year-old Amy Vergara has served the Narciso household for nearly half of her life. She cleans, she cooks, she washes the dishes, and she does all that wholeheartedly.
I'm so grateful that God brought me to this family. I don't think I'll ever leave them because they've made me feel like I belong to their family.
That's because Amy has also earned the love and trust of the family.
I can always count on her.
The rewards, according to Amy, have been more than she could ever ask for. A retirement plan, education for her daughter, and a house she says she couldn't have built without help from the Narcisos. But not nearly all domestic workers in the Philippines are as lucky as Amy.
There are a lot also of domestic workers who are abused. There are a lot of domestic workers who are not giving an opportunity.
For several decades now, a lot of the focus has been on protecting the rights and welfare of Filipinos working abroad, many of them domestic workers. But there are an estimated 2.5 million domestics working here in the Philippines. And until this year, there's been little effort to provide them with social protection and benefits.
For 20 years, Cecilia, together with other advocates, had lobbied for a bill that would protect the rights of domestic workers. That bill has now been signed into law.
They give us a recognition that they are actually a labor sector. They are workers and they need to be protected.
Among the provisions of the Domestic Workers Act, a minimum monthly wage of about $60 US, Social Security and healthcare benefits, at least 5 days of paid holiday in a year, and a written contract. Advocates hope that the new law can empower domestic workers to break free from poverty and move up the social ladder. Barnaby, CCTV, Manila.